Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make smooth Reels transitions in Capcut mobile. So if you want to make your Instagram Reels stand out with smooth transition straight from your phone, in this full Capcut tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So you can just open your Capcut and start your project. Select the clips that you want to transition between and make sure they are aligned with your concept or beat. After that, you can trim your clips so they are clean and cut right at the action. So if you got longer clip, you can just click on it and trim it just like this. Swipe to the left or right to trim. So this is the secret to a seamless transition. So you need to cut right at the action like a turn, a jump, or a camera movement. And now you can just tap on the white box in between the clips to open the transition menu, and you can try using the camera roll, spin, or zoom for dynamic moves. So let's say I want to try camera roll transition. Okay, there's no such thing. Let's just use zoom. Okay, I'm going to use this zoom snap. Click on the transition and then you can adjust the duration so it feels natural. I'm going to go with 0.6 seconds. And then you can click on a check icon, then preview the result first. Okay, so it will go like this. And now let's take it to the next level. You can add a beat or sound effect that matches your motion. So align the clips to hit on the beat drop for maximum impact. In here, you can just go to audio and go to the sound effects. Let's say in here, I'm going to go with the, let's try the swoosh sound effect. Okay, you can click on a plus icon and then you can play the video to preview if it's aligned with the transitions or not. So I'm going to drag it a little. Okay, as you guys can see, it will feels more dynamic. And if you want even more control, you can try manual transitions by using keyframes. You can zoom in, rotate, or slide the clip to create a custom smooth effects. So let's say here, I'm going to just add a keyframe in the middle in here, just like this. And at the end, I'm going to zoom in and let's see the result. Okay, you can see that will be the transition effects. And if your transition look laggy and or don't apply, you can try these solutions. First, you can reapply the transitions, clear the cache, and also try to restart CapCut or update the app. Simple fix, big difference. So when you're done, you can export your video in 1080p at 60 fps to keep it smooth and crisp. So it's perfect for Reels, TikTok, or Shorts. And that's it. You've just made a smooth transition reel using Capcut right on your phone. So if this helped, like and subscribe and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.